to
Hey
ByteBuddy channel.
everyone,
In the last video, we have learned about what are variables and how to take input from the user. In today's video, we are going to learn about the conditional statement which help a lot in Python. So let's get started. Before we let's get started, first we have to if else statement is let your program know what to depend on. As you can see, if condition if if the condition is true, program run the first part. If the condition is false, the button run the second part. As you can see, if condition is true, do something when condition is true. Else do something when condition is wrong. We will erase this. Let's see some example in Google Colab. So first we will write x as a variable and first is getter. So here you can see I if the condition is true, it's run the first part. Like if you see 5 is greater, but if we write here 3, so you can see else a print x is less than 3. So 3 is greater. But but if we use 2, then you can see where to run the second part. 2 is less than 3. So this is as an example that the if the condition is true, it run the first part. But if the condition is not true, it's run the second part. Sometimes we need uh, more than two choices. For that we use Elif statement. Like you can see, I check what the program should be about. Here I should take X. What about the program is about the marks. First we will write marks as a variable, and then we will use integer input. The integer convert input into like the convert the like the whatever the user give, it convert it into the integer. First thing marks number. So enter marks mark. If marks then print grade, print grade, lf huh. And now we will use elif. If elif marks greater or is equal to 70, print grade B. Else, else print grade C. Grade C. Keep keep it very good. So this is the way like I have created mm, a program which will you will first tell your marks you have get. Then if the marks is greater than 80, oh, I should tell you like enter marks grade B. So you can see it has run the second part, and if I select watch 7 grade C, not better. So if I like this is the way like is the marks we have calculated. So you can see like we use if elif statement are very important in Python. You can see we can check marks and like we can do a big program, but no, today's like in this video we are going small project. But when we will learn about the projects, then I will tell you how to do the big project using if and statement. And now we will moving on next example. First we have to take a code. Now make a real life scenario. For that we will use to now I'm using x as and then integer input enter oh, a number to a number if num if the number is divided or is equal to 0. Hmm. Like if we check we should take this as a number. So if the number is divided or is equal to 0, print we have to keep on and if it's like that, so we are taking using the even and odd project. For that if the number is divided and the answer is 0, so it should be to print the number is even. Hmm. But wait, but else now we have to use else print the number is odd oh in the line 2 print. So they are showing error, but why? The problem is here, as you can see. But if we do a mistake, it will say like the file temporary if number. Here is the problem. So it is the syntax error. So we have to resolve, and they are showing the error is in the line 2. First we have to take here in here. Now you see like now yeah. So it was a syntax error. So now I have to if I oh so the nine number is a odd part. But if I write 8, so it is even. So that's all for today. So and guys, that's all for today. And tell me a next project I should make a video on using conditional statements. That's all for today. Bye guys. See you in the next video. Just revived what we are learning. In today's video we have learned the first thing F, how to use if, and then we learn about the elif, that how to use elif, and we also learn about the else statement. So these all statements are the conditional statement. What if we use the full even program? I will make this a big program, in the even and odd number program. Okay, so we will do it in the next video. If you like if you like the video, then press like and subscribe me for the next videos. Bye.